One day, the Chinese dragon was pulling the royal train, but then it broke down. It was like, nah, mate, I can't move anymore. So he rolled over, and then cousin Stewie arrived. He was like, yes, I will pull the train. And so he coupled up to the train, and over his squeak, rattle, and roll, where's the coupling? He pulled the train. Well done, Stewie. You pulled the royal train. Hooray. Don't moan at me for this episode being shit. Technically, it's a true meme series episode, because it's very short and very crappy. Like always. You guys are just not OG fans, apart from like 5 people. So, I mean, dislike this video all you want, but technically this is accurate, I think. Watch this cunt get everything wrong, and it turns out this wasn't even accurate. Ain't that right, Fred? If the ting goes skurra, then what goes pop 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 pop? Skibidi bop bop. And a poop 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 poop. Scare. Shut up.